Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I will guide you through how to find your watch later list on YouTube. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. First, open your browser and head over to www.youtube.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Now, look at the left-hand menu on the home page. If it's hidden, click the three horizontal line at the top left to open it. In the list, you'll see a section called Library. Under Library, click on the Watch Later. And that's it guys. You'll now see all the videos you have saved to your Watch Later playlist. You can click any video to start watching or remove ones you have already seen. If this helped, once more, like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.